My dudes, today I have the pleasure of tuning one of the smokiest Mustangs I've ever tuned that makes 720 wheel. It was, I believe, this is a while ago, I believe it was a 5.3 with an S475, TH400. I can't even remember the ECU that it had, but this thing just poured smoke, and it definitely had exhaust leaks because it took a long time to spool this S475. Either way, this thing was gonna fly because it made 718, so 145 miles an hour would have been no problem for this thing out the back, as long as it could make consistent enough power throughout a hit. That's one of my favorites too. On decel, it would puff like right past the rear tires. It was incredible. This thing just smelled done and poured smoke all the time. It still made 720, and if that isn't a testament to how tough these are and how simple they can be, I don't know what else is. So enjoy this, have fun, see you later, eat some stuff for Turkey Day. Bye.